Hi, this is Mike at MSL Computer Service. If you have any computer problems, give me a call, whether it's software or hardware. My prices are reasonable, and I'll fix your computer in a timely manner. I also offer on-site service where I come to you. You can drop off your computer at my location, or I can do remote service. I am in West Melbourne, and I am looking forward to working with you. My prices are very reasonable. I have 23 years experience, A+, CompTIA certified. Also, I am HP certified, Dell certified. I've been doing this for at least 2 decades or more. I've seen all kinds of computer issues. Excuse me. You can go on Google My Business and look at MSL Computer Service and see all my reviews. Also, you can visit my website at mslcomputerservice.com and see all the different services that I provide. So if you need a computer worked on and you live in Melbourne or Brevard County, definitely call me. I'm available 7 days a week. And I'm Mike, MSL Computer Service. My overhead is low, so my prices are the best prices in Brevard. Thanks for watching my video. Call me at 321-557-0704 and visit my website and my YouTube channel here. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. I have other videos that help people fix their computers, any computer issues you have. And I'll see you in the next video. This is Mike at MSL Computer Service in Brevard County. Thanks for watching.